Homeowners Matt and Alex are warming up after braving the frigid winter temperatures outside their Mount Prospect home. They're used to the winter weather, but it's not something to take lightly.
I've been here since I was about 10 years old, and I definitely enjoyed the community, but every winter, it just never gets easier.
I'd say the winters can be very gloomy, and there's a lot of concerns with the home as well.
Some areas these homeowners are most concerned about are their roof, gutters, and pipes.
This home has big risk in terms of cold weather tied to its gutter system. When we purchased it, that first season where we saw major icicles hanging from it and we could visually see the gutter kind of drooping and hanging from the home. So we knew that that cannot be sustainable, so we had to do something.
I've had a situation where my pipes have burst before, and so that was a challenge, and so I get concerned with that for sure.
This is something Tanea Larry knows all too well. She's an expert from Emerson.
Living in a cold weather climate, that inclement weather can cause ice dams to form on roofs, gutters, and downspouts. Ice dams happen when snow is on the roof of a home and the heat in the attic causes the snow to melt, but then that water accumulates on the eave of the home and forms icicles. And those cause weight onto the eaves of the home and on the downspouts. In addition to ice dams, when you're living in a cold climate, you can also experience bursted pipes, the sub pump no longer working, and a bunch of other things that will cause damage to your walls, drywall, and others. The average damage that occurs from ice dams and pipes bursting in a home can be in between $15,000 to $25,000.
A great solution Matt and Alex have discovered is EasyHeat, an easy-to-install product that can prevent ice dams from forming. EasyHeat also has a way to prevent their pipes from freezing.
When I started doing that research and I saw EasyHeat, what really gave me that peace of mind was understanding that some of their solutions, especially simple things like underneath a sink, underneath a vanity, that I could even install myself. So that really made me excited. But then even the more advanced solutions were easy to understand. They had a lot of information online, and it gave me peace of mind to be able to communicate that effectively to my contractor to install it.
EasyHeat cables add resistant heating in areas where needed. So for instance, on the roof, it provides a path for the snow to melt and to drain properly rather than forming ice dams. In the case of the pipes, it allows for the pipes to have heat so that they don't freeze.
EasyHeat is a really nice product. It's a heat trace that is pretty simple to install. The mounting brackets, the clips are pretty easy to use. You install it and you press to secure it. Pretty simple product.
EasyHeat's a very reputable company. We're one of the first providers of electric heating cables, and for decades we've been supplying homeowners with proper heating cables to protect their homes from costly winter-related challenges.
So yeah, after we looked at it, we decided it was just a no-brainer, and that was the solution we wanted to take to protect our home.
Tanea knows how effective something like EasyHeat can be. Today, she's visiting with Matt and Alex to hear firsthand their thoughts about this solution.
Matt, Alex, now that you've had the product installed for a while and got to experience it with a few Chicago winters, how are we liking it?
We love it.
And the installation was so easy. It was great to be able to see that not only just our pipe is protected, but also the roof and gutter is protected. Just really put me at ease of mind.
Well, I'm so glad to hear that you all are enjoying our ice dam prevention and our pipe freeze prevention products. We have other solutions to help weatherize your home, such as our snow melting solutions, which you can embed in your driveways or sidewalks so that you can enjoy the weather from the inside of your home and not have to go and shovel snow and use all of that extra back strain. And then we also have our floor warming solutions, which can embed in your kitchens and bathrooms. It's another way to elevate this already beautiful home and make it feel even more luxurious.
Well, we've been so happy with EasyHeat so far, so thank you so much for educating us on all these other options. Definitely want to look into them, and thank you so much for coming out today and teaching us all about how to better protect our home.
Thank you all so much for having me.
Thanks so much.
For more information, check out the website below or our website, designingspaces.tv.